Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Gurukul Universal course on MS Word. In this comprehensive training program, you will learn how to create professional documents using the powerful features and functionalities of MS Word. I am very excited to share this journey with you and look forward to a successful learning experience. Let's move on to our second slide. Here, you can find the introduction to our Mastering Microsoft Word course. We'll cover the powerful features and functionalities of this popular application. This course is for everyone, from beginners to experienced users, to learn how to use MS Word to make professional documents. Let's unlock the full potential of MS Word. This module will look at the different components of the Microsoft Word user interface. We'll start by examining the ribbon and quick access toolbar, which offer quick access to all of Word's features and functions. Additionally, we'll examine the different views available, and how to move swiftly through documents. Lastly, we'll look at essential keyboard shortcuts that can boost your productivity. Let us begin exploring the Word interface. Formatting your texts is essential for creating an eye-catching document. This section will guide you through applying different font styles, sizes, and colors to your text. More advanced formatting options like applying styles, using themes, and building personalized templates will also be discussed, aiding you to make your documents have a unified appearance. By utilizing the right formatting, you can give an upgrade to any document and make sure it stands out. Creating a well-structured document is essential for successful communication. This module will discuss tools to organize content such as headings, paragraphs, and bullet points. Additionally, you will learn to add tables, images, shapes, adjust page margins, and change orientation to enhance the structure of the document. Managing a document can present a challenge in this day and age. MS Word gives you the advantage of a range of features to make collaborating and reviewing documents with colleagues simpler. Through track changes, you can choose to accept or reject changes to the document, while comments allow you to provide feedback to your team. You can also oversee document versions and gain more authority over the documents you share with others. Let's investigate how these MS Word features can give you enhanced capabilities to collaborate more effectively. MS Word is a hugely powerful resource when it comes to crafting and organizing documents. This module will take a deep dive into the more sophisticated features of MS Word and will demonstrate precisely how they can be utilized to the fullest potential. You will learn how to assemble and manage sizable documents, make a table of contents, introduce footnotes and endnotes, and generate cross-references. Moreover, we'll give you a lesson on using mail merge, macros, and automation methods to expedite frequent jobs and increase your effectiveness. It's time to unleash the power of MS Word. This module will provide you the opportunity to enhance your MS Word skills. We'll cover advanced formatting methods and shortcuts, as well as less-known features and options for personalization. With the help of this course, you'll rapidly come to be a Word specialist. Utilize our tips and tricks to save time and increase efficiency. Now you'll be able to get the most out of this powerful program. Congratulations! You have completed the Mastering Microsoft Word course and have acquired the essential skills and techniques to work efficiently with Word. You can now navigate the interface, format documents with precision, collaborate with others, and use advanced features to your advantage. Your newfound capabilities will keep you productive. Keep practicing and getting familiar with the vast capabilities of MS Word, and you will become an even better Word pro. Wishing you all the best on your journey. Thank you for your attention.